So if you haven't already checked out my video on how to get the best low light footage on the GoPro, I definitely encourage you to check it out. I've linked to it above. I put together this video a couple weeks ago, and in that video I share all of my best settings as well as a couple tools I use to get the very best low light footage from the GoPro. And this low light footage includes while you're moving with the GoPro. Moving with the GoPro and getting low light footage is especially challenging. And in that video, I share a lot of sample clips. After sharing that video, a lot of you requested to see more of the footage that I used for my sample clips. The footage was filmed at a holiday light display that we found while we were traveling. It was a neat little display that somebody set up with a lot of lights and other holiday themed objects there. It was a fun place to walk through. Even though there was an ice storm going on at the time, I still went there, shot the footage. You'll see a few raindrops on the lens at times. When it's raining and icing that hard, it's kind of difficult to keep the lens fully clean, but for the most part, that water repelled quickly. So in this video, I'm going to share just a couple minutes of that footage so that you can check it out if you're interested in seeing more. And if you haven't checked out my low light settings video before, definitely check it out.